Happy Monday to you. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. Here is a look at weather this week in the Okanagan. And according to Environment Canada, you're going to want to get outside and enjoy that sunshine while you can, because it's not going to last.
So we've got a trough of cool air over the province. So in general, we're looking at on and off showers throughout the week, and temperatures trending downwards, especially as we get towards the end of the week.
Monday will reach a high of 20 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds, and showers are expected off and on all afternoon. Here is a look at your valley view for Tuesday. In Kelowna and Vernon, we're going to see a high of 19 degrees and mainly cloudy, and in Penticton, a high of 20. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will be 5 degrees below the seasonal average with a high of 16 degrees, and all 3 days are calling for showers off and on. Unfortunately, the weekend is looking very much the same to the week. We're going to be seeing 16 to 17 degrees on both Saturday and Sunday, and a 30% chance of showers. That's it for weather this week. For Castanet News, I'm Madison Earhart.